Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now look at this. Amazon have started using recyclable paper bags. I've never had a gift sent to me in a paper bag like this. Now my friend Pauline and I, we were talking about when it's cold and wintry time and you might be sitting in your bed and doing your crochet and your shoulders get cold. I told her I was going to try and do a shawl of some kind, not your triangle shawl, but one that's kind of like a cape that you just throw over your shoulders and tie it around your neck. And then she sent me a text saying there's a little gift on its way for you. So I've got this Happy Mail. I'm not turning it around because my name and address is on that side. So I'm going to open this up. And she said that she says, I hope you like it, and I could make the bed shawl that I want to do for sitting in my bed and doing my crochet at night time. So I'm going to open this up, and Muttley's eagerly waiting on the bag. Hang on. Pop that there. Let's see what's in here. Oh, it's pretty. Just a little. I'm going to give the bag to Muttley, so you're going to get a bit of noise. There you go. Look at this. It's Karen, it's Simply Soft, and there's a couple of little messages that you get. A gift note from Pauline. Enjoy your gift. That is pretty. Look at that. That is so pretty. Look at the colour, and that is Karen, Simply Soft. And there is way enough in here to make the shawl. I'll open it up here. That is so pretty, this colour. And if it's not enough, I've got some of this already. Oh, look at that. That is so soft. So pretty. It's a kind of cream colour. It says it's a off-white, but it looks like a clotted cream colour. It's really pretty. Because it does get quite... Sometimes it's not cold enough to have your central heating on, and then it's too cold not to be wrapped up, if you know what I mean. I mean, at night time when my heating goes off and when I go to bed, if I'm either watching the TV and the room cools down, it does help if you've got something just to wrap around your shoulders, and I think that's going to be really pretty. And Pauline, I think this is what I'll do. And I'll do it as a video as well. Either pattern, it doesn't matter what pattern I do. I might do something really simple and quick because it is winter here and we have recently had a lot of snow. That I'll do a video and I'll show you how to do this little bed cape. Thank you so much, Pauline. Thank you so much. And if you want to send Happy Mail, I'll put my email at the end of the video and you can send me a little email and I can pass on my address. So in this yarn there is, let me find it. So here we go. So in this yarn there's 170 grams, and that's quite a lot. It's 170 grams, and that's 6 ounces. That's 315 yards or 288 meters, and it's Yarnspirations that took over from Karen Simply Soft. Yarnspiration owns Red Heart as well, and also if you go onto Yarnspirations website, they have thousands of free patterns that you can download and make at home. So Pauline, thank you so much for sending this, and thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Now if you're watching and you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please click on the subscribe button, and if you click on the bell icon, then YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel. I really would appreciate it. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.